Hey guys, today is day 8 and today we will learn how to draw knowledge transfer. A lot of times in companies you are attending training and they call it knowledge transfer. So let's see how we can depict knowledge transfer by simple business drawings. For this, the knowledge is going from one brain to another brain. So let's draw an open brain in a very dramatic way. Let me, okay. So this is one. This is one person. This is another person. And knowledge is going from his brain to his brain. Or maybe you can draw the arrow directly in the brain. Yeah, and because the focus is on knowledge transfer, so color it as well. So here this could be the instructor, and this could be the student, or company employees. Let's see one more method of showing knowledge transfer. In this, maybe something is coming down the funnel in your brain. We will depict something like this. So in this we will be drawing a face, a simple face. So this is the guy, and here the funnel is coming. So basically here, and these are the knowledge capsules which are falling in the brain, in his brain. And this is how he is getting the knowledge. And to make it more curvy and realistic, of course we will be giving a little bit of shade. You can give the shade from a lighter marker as well. Yeah, so this is the knowledge transfer. You can show this whenever you are giving a training, or when you want to depict a situation where knowledge transfer is happening. See you tomorrow, day 9. Bye bye.